Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to use talkback on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down. Just keep scrolling on the down, you are going to find the accessibility option. So here is the accessibility. Click on accessibility. After you have been moved on accessibility, you're going to find the talkback option. So move on talkback. So if you want to use this talkback, what you need to do is that here is the use talkback and this is the icon. Click here and here it's scroll and click on allow, and here the talkback has set on. Okay, you can turn on the talkback like this. Okay, and if you want to click back button, just click here back button, then double tap like this. Okay, you have to tap like this. If it's not working with your thumb, then see, if you want to move on setting, you just tap like this, double. Okay, see, and if you want to scroll, it will not work with one finger, you have to use two finger like this. Okay, and the home screen also double tap. See, okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.